Good morning, everyone. Today is another day of the long weekend, and it's so sunny. And so we're gonna go to Deep Cove today. I'm just gonna make breakfast so then we can take it and then we're gonna leave.
Positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we grew up. I'll take it and still finish it. Oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Free yourself,
Breakfast is done. And then Kat is
Kukuha tayo ng kape sa baba.
kuha siya ng kape sa baba. Tapos, I'm just gonna pack everything into here and then we'll leave. Okay, we are now in the car, ready to go. We're just cleaning up. Ito yung bed namin kahapon, no? Na ginamit lang namin pag nap. But, we might nap again today, so still helpful. No? Right?
What?
It's still helpful.
Ah, yeah. Oo. Chill lang kami. So, hindi na namin inalis yan.
Yeah. Anyways, naglilinis lang si Kat before we accumulate more kalats. And then we're leaving. Okay, so today we're gonna go to the Deep Cove in North Vancouver. From Vancouver, it's only 19 minutes.
Yes.
A drive?
A drive.
So we'll see if it's actually that close, because that's only 19 minutes. That's pretty close.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. So we are here at Deep Cove. Mga 10 minutes kaming naghanap ng parking and 15 minutes kaming nag-drive to get here.
So, mga almost 30 minutes din na 30
Yeah.
minutes din na ayun sila.
Yeah. Tapos street parking ang nahanap namin. And ang gaganda ng bahay dito. Anyways, it's our first time here and so far, we love it so much.
Oo. Guys, ang lapit lang pala namin dito pero ngayon pa namin napuntahan to.
Okay, so kunin namin yung foods and then we're gonna eat by the water.
if you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul.
This is what it looks like from where we parked. Yan. Ang ganda ng sound ng birds din. Tapos may picnic table, so doon na lang kami kakain. Ito na yung nahanap namin na space. Alin? Ayan. Ang ganda. Oh, it's so nice here. Tapos tignan nyo dito, parang park siya. Ayan o. Okay, so lumipat kami dito kasi baka reserved yun.
Pwede naman ang nakalagay doon is maybe reserved in advance. Pwede
Oo.
naman.
Pero kasi may barbecue na sila, kaya siguro, ewan ko. Anyways, mas maganda yung view dito. Tignan nyo. May mga ganyan, may rentals din dito. So,
We might.
we might do it kung may ano. No? So, yan. Ito na ang aming baon. Ayan. Guys, ang ganda talaga. I can't get over it. Imagine dun ka nakatira. Oh.
Totoo.
Oo. Ang dami ko pa ng ano, niluto na sinangag. Anyways.
lunch pa.
Oh. Pag may anak kayo, doon pwede doon. May playground. Tapos kung may barko naman kayo, or yate, yan, pwede kayo mag-park dyan. Tingnan nyo naman ang mountains. Grabe. Wow. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Amen. Medyo mainit. Medyo mainit, guys. Para siya, ano, parang summer na talaga. May mga tao pala sa likod. Picture sila ng view and wow. Dumadami na rin yung tao. But if you're planning to go here, bring a hat. Also, limited space ang parking. Kaya baka mahirapan kayo. And then if you want to go paddle boarding or kayak, make sure to reserve. Kasi naisipan lang namin ngayon. And then wala nang reservations. So can't do it. But yeah, if you want to, you should reserve.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like $45 an hour, I think, for a single kayak. And then $68 an hour. I don't know. It just
Per
says. I'm not sure. But 68 for a 2-person kayak. And then I didn't look at the paddle boards because I was not interested, since it's still pretty cold. Like the water is still pretty cold. But we do like going paddle boarding pag summer. To the point na gusto na namin bumili ng sarili naming paddleboard kasi yung ko parang sayang yung ano pag keep renting. Pero anyways, yun na naman. Mainit na. Parang pa-summer na talaga. Babalik ni Kat yung basket namin. Tsaka yung sweater ko kasi yung init. Tapos ako pababa ako dito habang naghihintay kay Kat. Tingnan niyo yung tubig. So clear. Ang linaw. Ang linaw. May hat ka na ngayon. Celebrity ka, girl?
Actually, dapat kay Kim to kasi baka maano yung noon niya. Pero, ang ini talaga nakasilaw, nakakaano.
Ang ganda talaga ng ano dito. Feeling ko babalik-balikan natin to, no?
Yeah, true. True. Siguro pag hindi holidays and weekdays, siguro hindi ganito kadaming tao. So, pwede kami tumambay dito. Muni-muni.
Oo. Muni. Ganda talaga ng tubig. Sa summer dito kami magpa-paddleboard. We'll show you guys.
Kasi mas ano eh,
Mas
steady yung tubig.
And mas ma-clean yung tubig kasi before dun kami sa Spanish Banks nagpa-paddleboard and medyo may mga seaweed, may mga ganun, di ba?
Marami. Tapos may nakita kaming patay na.
May patay na seal. Oo, oh my gosh.
Kausap niya kasi.
Pupunta kami doon ngayon sa may downtown nila. Ito yung playground nila. May ganito pa dito leading to the dock, and then cool. Alam niyo ba dati may ganyan din doon sa tinitira nila Mama Belen sa Philippines? Yung nandun pa kami. Pero puro garbage. Tapos ngayon naman pupunta kami dyan sa may arc. Ewan ko. Walkway din ata. Wow, ang ganda dito, guys. Wow, it's so nice here.
If kayo ang kasi ng tao na nahihilig sa
Nature and water activities, this place is for you. And then pwede kayo maglakad-lakad. Oh my god. The best. Tapos pwede kayo mag-picture dito. Picture idea. Lalakad kami doon sa
Pakahawak ka rin sa group.
Okay, sorry.
Please.
Doon tayo lalakad. Yan. Guys, may parking din pala sa mga boat. Oh. May meter din for boats. Tapos dito yung mga siguro kung aalis na sila. Gusto ko yung ganito. Magkano ba yung mga ganito? Gusto ko yun. Ay, sa keto. Layo niya. Ang daming aso dito. Diyan yung may rental ng paddle boats, kayaks. Pero meron din doon sa kabila. Ang ganda ng na to, oh. No? Anong tree yan? Picture ID.
Bugandalia.
Picture. 1, 2, 3. Huh. Huh. Ito naman yung mga shops and everything nila. Onti lang. Ayan, shops. Local shops. Ano to? Shop din. Deep Cove. Yeah, sige. And then this is a sandwich shop. Ice cream shop. Oh, ang dami dito pala. Maliit siya pero packed with things and local things. And then at the end there's a pub, and then another ice cream shop, another restaurant. Ayan lang siya, guys. Yan o. Sikat naka-line up sa donuts. Open.
Okay.
That's all for sa Deep Cove.
That's all for today's video namin sa Deep Cove.
It was great. Like, we're gonna keep coming back there kasi ang saya pala doon sa Deep Cove.
Totoo. And parang hindi siya malayo pa rin sa sibilisasyon. Parang may nature, tapos meron ding area kung gusto nyo bumili ng something. So, hindi masyadong malayo sa...
May kainan.
Yes.
Pero lang, siguro take note na lang, guys, na na kailangan yung mag set ng time to find parking kasi parang you're just gonna wait to get lucky to like find
Totoo.
parking.
So, kung gusto nyo mas maaga or kung may patience kayo na mag-ikot-ikot to look for parking, then that's okay. Pero, yeah, konti lang yung nila, parking area.
to 20 minutes away from our house, which is in Vancouver, like Vancouver, Burnaby. And then from Richmond, it's 50 minutes away. So, kasi we're going to Richmond. So, yeah, yun lang.
45 to 50 minutes. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you in our next vlog.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.